What's up, gentlemen? So one of the biggest misconceptions that guys have is that you got to spend a lot of money in order to look good and be attractive, when the truth is that a lot of the best things that you can do are actually free. And today I want to go over them. If you're ready to look better for free, why don't you drop me one of these? Number one is drink 1 gallon of lemon water a day. All right. The reason is because it's going to help you retain less subcutaneous water, which means your abs are going to look better and your face is going to be less round. It's going to be more defined and chiseled. Your face is also going to be clear because when you increase your water consumption, your breakouts and blemishes go away. Number two is fix your posture. Now, this goes for when you're standing, when you're walking, also when you're sitting. A few reasons why it's going to make you more attractive. Number one, you're going to look taller and more confident. When you walk and you stand and your chest is up and your shoulders back and your head is elevated, you're not going to have a double chin. You're also going to be able to look people in the eye, which brings me to the next tip. Eye contact. It's a birthmark. If you start making better eye contact with people, you're going to be perceived as more interesting. You're also going to be perceived as more attractive. And if you combine it with a smile, gentlemen, this is actually the next thing you can do to automatically be more attractive, and it's totally free. When you smile at somebody and make eye contact, you're going to be viewed as more interesting, more friendly, more attractive, because when people smile at you, it's instant and automatic that they perceive you as more welcoming, more inviting, more friendly, and more open to communicate, which is definitely attractive. The next thing you can do, which is totally free, is give their ass a compliment. Compliment. If you start giving people more compliments, you're going to be perceived as crazy, wildly more attractive, because it's impossible not to like somebody if you're complimenting them on something like their car, their shoes, their watch, their hair. Ooh, you like that? I like it too. I actually love my hair. And that brings me to something else you can do to instantly boost your attraction, and that is stop losing your hair. Don't look at me like that. Stop it. Gentlemen, stop it. If you want to stop losing your hair, you can. And if you've already lost it, right, or you're starting to thin and you want it back, you can do that as well, but it takes you taking action. Now you're like, yo, Alpha, I thought you said this was free. It is free, as in the free Bosley info kit on hair loss and hair restoration, not to mention the completely free $250 Bosley gift card. Guys, I'm gonna have a special link down below. Think of Bosley as the hair loss doctors, right? If you have a toothache, you go to the dentist. If you have something wrong with your feet, you go to the podiatrist. Bosley is the only company that I recommend and I trust, and the reason why you guys might have been seeing some of the commercials that I do with them is because I believe in what they're doing and their mission and how they are helping men regain their confidence, not to mention their hair. I trust them, I believe in them, and I want you to go and check them out. Guys, Bosley's been in the hair loss business for over 45 years. And when it comes to hair loss and hair restoration, experience matters. Why would you trust a company that just raised a bunch of money out of Silicon Valley? Why would you be like, yeah, let me get hair loss medicine from them? What do they know? Gentlemen, Bosley has been in the hair loss business for over 45 years. They have the best doctors. They've got the latest technologies. They've done the most procedures. And when it comes to restoring your hair and looking the best it possibly can, experience matters. Do not trust anybody other than Bosley. And if you're ready to take control and stop your hair loss or get your real hair back, I want you to hit that special link down below. It's free. It's a completely free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. You're also going to get that $250 free Bosley gift card. Gentlemen, it is a huge no-brainer. Why would you suffer? Why would you suffer with the embarrassment, the insecurity, the lack of confidence from losing your hair when it is totally treatable and preventable? Guys, but you've got to be the one that takes action. Now, some of you are like, oh, I don't know if it's that bad or noticeable. It is. It's noticeable. She notices. You notice. And that's the thing. If you're somebody that's starting to thin, if you're starting to notice extra hair in the drain or on the pillow, or you're looking at pictures of you from a few years ago and you're like, damn, it really has started to recede, or it is getting a little bit thinner up on the crown. Gentlemen, take action. You do not need to just deal with it. You do not need to try to hide it and comb it over, or worse yet, get a toupee or something. Gentlemen, do something that I would do if I started to lose my hair, which is go see Bosley. This is a huge no-brainer, and you literally have nothing to lose except more hair. Guys, hit the link, grab the guide, grab the gift card now. Do not wait. Do you think these guys are happy they went to Bosley? Speaking of hair, the next free thing you can do to look more attractive instantly, actually in 10 days instantly, is grow a beard. Guys, facial hair is the great equalizer in terms of men and attractive ass faces, right? Think of it as like makeup for men, right? We don't get to do like smoky eyes and stuff, but as men, what we can do is grow badass facial hair. And when you do it, it automatically makes you more attractive because A, it's going to help strengthen a weak jaw. It's also going to add more definition and structure to your face. Not to mention, beards are sexy. Speaking of sexy, yeah, did you see what happened? Exactly. That's actually the next free thing you can do, and that is show a little more man cleavage. I wouldn't necessarily go 4 buttons, but 3 is definitely a sexy next level thing that a dude can do. All right, something else. If you want to be sexier, next thing, boom, right? Yes, it's free. Gentlemen, expose your forearm. It is the #1 most attractive body part according to those spicy senoritas, right? Roll it up, get it up there. Not only is this going to expose your forearm, it's actually going to make them a little bit bigger and thicker looking if you actually have that sleeve roll up a little bit high. It also, if it's tight, is going to make you a little bit more vascular, little restriction, yes, which is definitely sexy. What's up? Yeah, exactly. Expose a little more tricep, all right? This one is a game changer in terms of making your arms look a little bit more muscular, right? So many guys are rocking t-shirts or shirts that are too long, right? If you just get it up and expose a little more of the tricep, it's gonna make your arms look so much bigger and more muscular, not to mention you more attractive. Now you're like, yo, what should I do? Go buy? I thought you said it was free. Gentlemen, all you gotta do, give it 1 or 2 rolls, right? It's totally appropriate, it's totally sexy, and your arms are gonna look more attractive. But Alpha, I don't have big, massive guns and pythons like you, which brings me to the next free thing you can do to be more attractive. Work out. Gentlemen, work out. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need any fancy equipment. You just need to do what you need to do in order to move your ass. Some of the best workouts I've ever had have been calisthenic workouts, whether or not it's push-ups, it's pull-ups, it's isometric curls and squeezes. Gentlemen, you have to stop making excuses. If you want to look more attractive, you got to start taking care of your body, which brings me to the next thing that'll make you more attractive, and it's free. It's actually less than free. You're going to save money, which is lose weight. When you lose weight, guys, next level things happen to your attraction level, right? Your clothing fits better, but you look better out of your clothing, as in like naked. Your man boobs are going to be reduced. Your love handles are going to be minimized. Your face is going to be more chiseled, and your biceps, you see what's up. The next free thing you can do to look more attractive is put your damn phone away, right? One of the things that makes guys and women, everybody, look unattractive is when you always have your face buried in your phone, whether or not you're standing there, whether or not you're walking. Put that shit away. Speaking of walking, walk like a badass, calm, confident. Your steps, not too quick, not too short, not too big and long and weird. A nice, casual, confident stride. Your head up, shoulders back, making eye contact, looking people in the eye. The nonverbal communicating that people do, gentlemen, is one of the things that makes you attractive or unattractive, right? Like this, and it's totally free. A lot of attractive dudes, they've got whack-ass body language, they've got bad, negative, weak-looking body language, it's automatically making them less attractive. But if you, even being an average-looking dude, right? If you stand with charisma and confidence, if you're looking people in the eye, if you're not all closed up and weird and shrinking and not looking people in the eye, gentlemen, you are going to be amazed at how much more interest you get from other people because you look confident. And if you look confident, that is part of the equation. Which brings me to what actually comes out of your mouth. The verbal communication you do, gentlemen, is also incredibly powerful when it comes to making you more or less attractive. If you're somebody using filler words like not sexy. If you're somebody that curses a lot, not sexy. If you're somebody that never has an opinion, not sexy. If you're somebody who doesn't actually speak up when you need to speak up, not sexy. The next thing to be more attractive that's totally free is wear the color red. Did you see that? Do you see what just happened? Exactly. My attraction, boom, through the roof because the color red, right? Lots of research and psychological experimentation has been done about color psychology. And what the research basically shows is that men that wear red are viewed as more attractive, more sexy, more ready for action. One of the things you can do to automatically improve the way that you look in pictures is smile like models smile. All right, and the way that it works is basically instead of you smiling all big and cheesy, what they do is jam their tongue against the back of their teeth. And when you do this, it allows the rest of your facial muscles to actually relax. Seriously, check it out. Look at the difference. Exactly. Gentlemen, jam that tongue against those teeth. Now, a few other picture tricks I'd just like to show you. When you're taking a picture, right, instead of squaring your hips and shoulders to the camera, I want you to slightly angle, right? Chest up, chin up, shoulder smiling, right there, jamming that tongue. Now, one other pro tip, guys, when you're taking a selfie, instead of down here, right, get it up, elevate. You want to get that chin up. It's going to make you look bright, fresh, more angular, and not like you got a sloppy double chin. Gentlemen, that's it. All these things, they're quick, they're easy, and they're definitely free.